Okay, so this is still a fixed mount for a Big Talk, which is a switch, and it doesn't come with any actual inserts or mounting screws whatsoever. So the switch just kind of goes around the case of it, and then the holes on each side just are for blind. We'll drill some blind holes and then put pop rivets in them to hold it, and then you can put this onto a like a flexible gooseneck mount or something like that. But in keeping with the AT Maker's motto of kind of making it as easy as possible to mount, we also want to do a version of this with a 1/4 tnut, which is very common for tripod mounts and such. So one way to do that I wanted to show is just to kind of create a plug from an existing one. Bill said that this is the one that that works well, so we're just going to make a plug out of this existing component, and then we'll stick it into ours. So how I do that is I create a new component. I'm just going to call this tnut plug, and create a new sketch. I'm going to let's actually do let's end that. Let's create an offset plane from here. We'll come up. I'm going to measure my tnut and see about 0.05 inches. So I'm going to go 0.1 inch, drop it there. And now we can create a sketch on that offset, and you'll see why we did that. We'll project. All we'll project is this outside ring. Go OK, and then we're going to extrude that, and we're going to extrude it to object. We're going to go to the base here, and we're going to do new body. OK. So now what we have here, if we turn off the bodies, we can see we just have this blank plug. That doesn't do much for us, but if we use this awesome command, combine, we can do our target body, and our tool body is going to be the existing component, and we are going to cut, and we're going to keep our tool, and go OK. Now if we turn our body off, we have this fancy plug which we can use to modify our own components. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and save a copy as. That's fine. Save. And we'll go back to our mount. If we open up our browser tree here, do a little refresh. This is one I had done yesterday just to test the process. Where'd it go? There it is. So we'll just right click on that in our recent data panel, and we will insert into current design. We'll ignore that call. Let's see here. So now you got this guy going on. We definitely want to rotate it 180. In that direction, and then let's see here. I'm just going to throw it off over here and leave it and say OK. So right now it's linked. That's fine, but I want to break this link. That's going to allow me to. I'm going to click on these. This is the offset plane I created. Just hit V for view. There's another one that's activated. V just it turns off the view of it. Now I'm going to create a joint between this guy and that. That's going to line them up nicely. Let's see that. And now we'll go ahead and hit OK. Now we'll do our combine feature again. Close this, it'll pop back up. Target body is going to be now our new mount. Our tool body is going to be the plug. And we're going to hit cut keep tool. We'll actually turn that off because I don't need to keep it after this. So there we have it. That is our new T-mount capable big talk fixed mount. So we'll put this up on Thingiverse and maybe on AT Makers as well. And yeah, hope this taught you something. Have a great day.